Just mix baking soda and honey, consume 3 teaspoons a day for 30 days, and this is what will happen to your body. Many people around the world thought that mixing baking soda and maple syrup or honey is a bad thing, because cancer cells thrive on sugar. But in the last 60 years, many experts around the world have examined this and they said that this is not true. First of all, I would like to say that yes, you're right, cancer cells love sugar, and mixing and heating alkaline sodium bicarbonate with sugar-rich maple syrup or honey binds the two together such that the maple syrup targets the sugar. Hungry cancer cells, which consume 15 times more glucose than normal cells and sneakily carries the baking soda into the cells. This means that you will use the maple syrup or the honey as a Trojan horse. How this works? Well, the alkalinity of the baking soda either kills the cancer microbe or reverts it to its hibernation form inside the cancer cell, such that the cell reverts to normal. Or it has an alkalizing effect, forcing a rapid pH shift that kills the cell. The shock wave of alkalinity allows more oxygen into the cancer cells than they can tolerate. A cancer cell is reverted or eliminated before the sugar delivery can cause cancer cell growth. The secret recipe: you just need 2 simple ingredients, baking soda and honey, or maple syrup. It's very simple. You just have to combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda for every 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. Because there are 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon, the ratio used is 1 part baking soda to 3 parts maple syrup or honey. For example, mix 4 teaspoons baking soda with 4 tablespoons maple syrup or honey. This should be enough for a week. When you mix these 2 ingredients, cook the mixture on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes and make sure you don't put this mixture in your refrigerator. How to use it? The experts say that you should consume 1 teaspoon of this mixture 1 to 3 times per day for a maximum 1 to 2 months. Don't take this mixture too close to meal times. During this therapy, you need to change your diet. You need to decrease the meat intake and no sugar or white flour. Few more benefits below: health benefits of baking soda and lemon juice. Several scientific studies have examined the health benefits of baking soda and lemon juice separately, but there is not much research to support the combined effects of these 2 ingredients. Scientists use the pH scale to measure the acidity of a solution. A solution can have a pH level between 0 and 14. The lower the pH, the more acidic the solution. pH levels below 7 indicate an acidic solution. pH levels above 7 indicate an alkaline or base solution. Neutral solutions such as pure water have a pH of 7. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a base. This means that when people dissolve baking soda in water, it forms an alkaline solution. For example, a 0.1 molar solution of baking soda has a pH around 8.3. Lemon juice contains citric acid and has a pH of around 3. Adding baking soda to lemon juice will raise the pH to produce a more neutral solution.